the days be aimless,
so the seasons drift.
Do not advance the action according to a plan.
I try to picture the girl.
Well, I think what the quote is trying to say is just let things happen. Just like you don't have to let time be. Just like things will happen. You don't have to make them happen. Yeah. They'll happen on their own.
well, try not to overplan. Try not to assume that you can figure out everything in advance. Kind of go where the moment takes you.
Like living your life not according to how people want you to live your life and just doing what you want.
Justifying reasons why is an absolutely insane resolution.
Someone who's not type A. Someone who's willing to kind of drift a little bit. Someone who I guess doesn't overschedule themselves.
Who's a person, I'd say a young person, whose personality, a person likes to live life in the moment, live life on the edge, risque.
Easygoing person, maybe someone like Natalie.
Open hand and see him as a given tree.
Get some of that. I guess to just go on with life, just keep moving, like go from day to day.
I think it means instead of like planning ahead in the future, being like, oh, in 4 years after I'm done with college, I'm gonna go to Russia and be a priest. Just do it now, because you might be dead in 4 years.
All our politics are too late.
Like the hippie era, it kind of reminds me of like their whole attitude toward things.
French Revolution, bam, got it.
How so?
Because they were like, instead of like voting on we want the monarchy to change and we want the government to change, instead of voting on it, like go in there and just take it and do it now. Just yeah.
Oh,
In days be aimless, let the seasons drift. Do not advance the action according to a plan.
Get out of here. Let's do it again.
May the days be aimless, let the seasons drift. Do not again. Do it again. May the days be aimless, let the seasons drift. Do not advance the action according to a plan.
Ever as it seems. Yeah, this life is but a dream.